Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Google account email and any device PIN or password. This prevents lockouts during the process. Once done, make sure the phone is charged above 50% and connected to Wi-Fi so updates and verification can complete. Backup photos, contacts, and messages to Google Drive. This preserves your data before a factory reset. Now, open Settings and locate System or General Management. That's where the reset tools are. Tap Reset Options to begin the first actionable step. You should now remove the Google account directly. Open Settings, go to Accounts, select Google, and tap Remove Account. You'll often need to enter your device PIN or password, which confirms you own the phone. If the account is tied to factory reset protection and you want a full wipe, proceed to Settings, right arrow System, right arrow Reset, right arrow Erase all data. This permanently removes local accounts and returns the phone to setup mode. Make sure you signed out of apps and disabled Find My Device before proceeding to avoid verification hurdles. Finish by completing the initial setup and sign in with the Google account you want on the device. This restores sync and lets apps reinstall. If the phone prompts for the previous account after a wipe, that's factory reset protection. Sign in with the original credentials. If you cannot, use account recovery at Accounts. Google.com or gather proof of purchase to contact the device manufacturer or Google support. One key troubleshooting tip: enable two-step verification later to prevent unauthorized resets and simplify recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.